We're just south of Hua Hin, just a little bit, and it's a beautiful temple up on the mountain. And I'm just going to film around a little bit. I'll give you the name later. And it's mountain is up that way. And I'm just going to give you a little taste of it, but you can see all kinds of cool stuff up in here. There's even like some homes, and these characters are all in Chinese as well. So it's like a Thai Chinese temple. And what we're going to do in this one is we're going to be going down. So I'm kind of showing you something that's south of Hua Hin, maybe about 10 kilometers or so. And you can also see all these little homes everywhere along the water. 2023, COVID is over, and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, so let's check this all out. So yeah, I'm basically doing a road trip. We just went through there with a friend of mine, and we're going to be checking out parts of coastal Thailand, and this is on our way. And he was just showing this to me because he's been spending some good time in Hua Hin, some quality time. And then over here there's actually a little riverboat community. I think my friend went down this way, so we'll let's see where we're just at. It's up in that way. So we actually went through there. We went up along that way, and there's actually a lake over there, and the ocean is fairly close over that direction. And my friend's over here. Introduce you in a moment. But yeah, there's a whole community right in here. We're gonna follow this one up. Actually, we're gonna be able to overlook. We can overlook this a little bit as well. There's a guy right here. That's my friend Lance, who you're gonna probably see in some of these videos. Lance, you want to say anything about that path up that way?
Yeah, I'm not too sure what's up there. I think there could be a main temple hall up there. So you want to check it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go up here, and then we can go around the side here. I think there are more smaller temples route.
That sounds good. So let's
see what's up here.
We'll move the camera kind of quickly so that oh yeah.
This is Ganesh, by the way.
Ganesh?
Ganesh. Ganesh, the elephant god, if you will, from India. How lush it is.
Yeah.
He did a great job with
Yeah, I got mixes of India, China, Thai. That's really nice. And there's a lake way over there as well. And you can see some of the community down there as well. See the trees a little bit.
Keeps on going up more.
Maybe and I'll temporarily pause. So we're gonna pause on this spot, and then we're gonna decide which way we're gonna go. We're gonna go down because there's all these villages right in here. We could have also went up as well, but in general, I feel like for viewers, they need a balance as well. So I have a little bit of temple in there, but we also have a little bit of the community right down here. So I want to get to that as well. And you can see some of that. Yeah, I think all these people, they live right on the river here. It says inland from the ocean. The ocean is relatively close. Yeah, this is just right outside of Hua Hin. Who would have guessed? And the ocean and the beaches is right over there. And then these are these communities right in here. So I think right now the water is inland a little bit, but then later they can take the boats right out. It's like right next to this temple. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's so funny, right? These are all like grounded at the moment, the boats are. Yeah, you just don't know what you're gonna encounter. Really nice location. Whoa, there's a beach down there. Oh jeez. I'm gonna leave our shoes here. Many things to explore in here. So that's the conclusion for this one. So you got a little taste of this little area right in here.
See Hua Hin way up there. That's Khao Tao. Up to there is Khao Tao, and beyond there is Hua Hin Beach, and beyond there is Cha'am. We're heading north right here. Look at the beautiful sky. Nobody out here.
Yeah.
Nobody out here. Beautiful.
Amazing.
Please don't tell anyone.
That's right. And that's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.